Today we're working on a Kenmore electric dryer that was working and now all of a sudden stopped heating and has a whining noise. We're going to take a look at that and see what the issues are. Let's show you what the unit's actually doing. The unit is not heating but has a high-pitched whining sound. The blower is working, we do know. The drum is tumbling, we do know that as well. So let's find out what's wrong with this unit. I'm going to shut the unit off. Always unplug the unit first before working. We're going to open this kick panel right down here with either a putty knife or a butter knife, either or. There's two little spring catches right here, one on each side. Here it click. You can use the knife as well. Push down on it. Well, let's try that again. Pull out. Another one right here. Same thing. Pull off the kick panel. First we want to check and look at the blower and see why the blower is actually whining. We know that the blower is working because it is actually blowing air. Remove one screw here, second screw right here. Pull off this before you pull this off. Pull out your vent screen. Pull out your second screw, drop this little piece off, and look at here what we have. We have a sock stuck in the blower. And you can see where it was rubbing. Okay, now it's turning free. That's where the high-pitched whining was coming from.